Electronics. We are now in with diesel electronics. We're hammering the diesel injectors. Right here with me is the Delphi diesel injector. This injector is found on Nissan NP200, Mercedes-Benz, and Chinese vehicles. Yeah, few, not too many. But this injector is very, very famous. It's very troublesome. Excessive backleak, black smoke, and diesel knock. So with our machine, we're able to test this injector from head to toe. Everything from there to here. We can test it hands off. The machine is going to give us a report. It's going to tell us everything which the injector is doing. So right now we've already mounted an injector here. This is just for test purposes. We're going to do a very simple basic test, which is called a leak test. The leak is the amount of fuel returning on the return line. If there's excessive leak, the rail pressure will not build up. Mechanics and technicians will understand. The fuel delivery, the machine measures the output at idle, full load, and at minimum load, just average. So we can do all those tests hands-free. Right now we're going to run the very basic test. This is a leak test. I'm going to run it in fast mode. If you observe on the screen, I know the mouse won't show right now, but I'll use my fingers just to aid. We've got the scale here, which is giving us the specifications, more or less what we should expect on the return line. If we have too much coming out on the return, we're going to see on the indication from the bar graph. So the test is running now, and I'm just waiting for the results. If it passes, it's going to tick here. This is the test I've selected. So right now, there was zero leak. So this injector is 100% super. If we're running another test, we just select, go to the next test, and run it. So this test is the injection, pilot injection. Pilot injection is the primary injection. For mechanics, you understand that common rail injection has got 2 or 3 injections. So this is the bar. It's showing me if my limits are between these 2 lines. If I go anywhere above there, then we off. The injector needs to be serviced 100%. So quite noisy, but I'm sure I can see what's going on. There you go. Done. It's passed. So there's no 2 ways about it. This is non-destructive testing techniques. The machine itself shows you and tells you what needs to be done, what is good and what is not good. No guesswork here. This is Kaitronics.